The same year our project house was built, a company here in Reading, Pennsylvania started making stoves. And they were massive. Coal-fired, cast iron. And they were state-of-the-art for their day. And today, they make commercial-grade ranges and hoods for homeowners. And our homeowners are big fans. Eliza, good to see you.
Hey, Kevin, nice to see you.
So
Thanks for coming.
Oh, thanks for having us. You guys have been making stoves for a long time.
Yeah, since 1880, actually.
Wow.
And we've evolved since then. Eventually now to where we are today, which is restaurant quality ranges for the home chef.
Okay. So where do you guys start? Looks like it starts with material?
Yeah, so it all starts right here. Our stainless steel comes into the building. It's in a flat sheet here. And from there, we start to cut it and make it into a range. This is our laser cutting machine. Each sheet is in here for only a couple of minutes. Very quick, very precise process, and gives you a nice, even, clean cut.
Moving left and right, forward and back, so sort of an XY, like a CNC machine, except we got laser and steel.
Absolutely. Very, very precise. So here we are. We're in the forming part of the process, and we have a piece of metal, and it's in a flat shape, and obviously we need it to get formed into a part that looks like this.
Cool, look at that.
So you can see the curves and the bends that we need to do to get it from the flat steel into a formed part.
So his job is, this is bending.
This is bending and forming, yep.
Forming, yep, okay.
Per a specific diagram.
Right, and is the computer dictating the sort of degree of the angle and all of that, or is it?
It absolutely is. You can see this this operator is very skilled though.
Yeah,
so
look at the computer once.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. So we have our formed part. In this case, it's a control panel, sits right on the front of the range.
So the knobs would attach to this.
Yeah, exactly. But we need to attach these two end caps to the piece to get it to be a fully formed piece.
So welding station.
Yep, so we're doing some TIG welding. This is all by hand. Very skilled welders here doing this process. A lot of great skill here. Now we have to polish it because the welding leaves a mark, right, that doesn't look very pretty.
So you've got some air tools, looks like a ton of mini belt sander.
Yep, it's a sander, and when she's finished with that, she's gonna use a lighter one to really polish it and make it really blend. That's the goal.
So we not just want to make it smooth, obviously, but you also want to try to get this finish close to this finish.
Exactly.
Wow.
So here we are in our powder coating area. First, a part will come in and we need to wash it and get it ready for the process. And then we dry it. And then it goes into a powder paint booth. And the part hangs down actually on a negative charge. And the powder paint is positively charged. So when the operator sprays it, it adheres very, very cleanly and strongly and perfectly to the part. We're painting a color called light green. It's RAL 6027, one of the thousands of colors that are available. We even offer custom color matches where we can match to a paint color, a vase, a plate, literally anything you want. And then finally it goes into a 400-degree oven where it cures for, say, about 10 to 12 minutes.
Right, and once it cools off to where?
Ready to be assembled. This is a 60-inch range.
This is a 10 burners.
Yes, and you're seeing anywhere from 25,000 BTUs, and they're capable of simmering all the way down to 130 degrees.
Right.
So John over here is taking our burners. They're obviously hooked up to gas, and he's fine-tuning them to be very precise. So when it arrives in the homeowner's home, it works perfectly. So here we have a fully completed range for your project. We've got 6 burners, a griddle.
What a monster.
They're gonna love the power that they're gonna get from the range.
And 2 ovens in the front.
2 ovens. One even fits a full-size sheet pan.
Nice. And so custom color, which we asked you for.
Yep. It's called Blue Gray, RAL 5008, with a beautiful brushed brass trim.
So we've got blue cabinets going in the island, so that's a nice match right there. And this is a ton of BTUs for our homeowners.
Yes, they are gonna love cooking up a storm.
All right, well, I love the tour, Eliza. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.